Good morning, parents, and good morning, students. How are you today? Like usual, I will guide you how to read your reading tutorial for this week, and we will start from reading English. Number 1. The boy in the house put a card and a book near the dancer by the window. Number 2. The toy boat and the owl sailed the sea under the moon with the mail. Number 3. The mouse on the farm saw the bakery burn while the boy ate an oyster. Number 4. The clown on the green train felt joy all day on his pillow. Number 5. The cow with a horn and the owl count cars on the road near the zoo. Number 6. The boy broke the black and brown glass trumpet while trying to sing. Number 7. Thin Ralph felt sick and had to stop to dance with the dancer. Number 8. The bride in a pink dress will wash her glove and brush the flower. Number 9. The white whale near the tent can smell the blue fish. Number 10. My friend will play with a blade and a truck toy in the photo. Number 11. Dave will ride the same bike and hope his friend will join so he won't have to play alone. Number 12. We should save the date for a hike in June because we like to explore more of the mountain. Number 13. The 9 cute kittens ran through the wide gate to play with a tube and a plastic cube. Number 14. The cute dog found a bone near the cave, but I hate to poke it with a dime. Number 15. Dave has a sore nose and hopes to find a cure quickly, even though it is already late. Now we will go to reading bahasa. Nomor 1. Udang hidup di kali. Nomor 2. Udang berwarna merah dan enak rasanya. Nomor 3. Daging udang empuk dan gurih. Nomor 4. Ibu dan aku suka makan udang. Nomor 5. Udang merah suka tinggal di laut. Nomor 6. Boneka Lala kecil, mungil, dan tidak bisa makan apel merah. Nomor 7. Doni punya seekor sapi yang suka mandi air bersih. Nomor 8. Nina pakai baju baru dan beli bola baru warna kuning dan merah. 8. Dina suka baca cerita dan Budi senang main bola. 10. Keadaan rumah sangat kacau karena ada banyak tupai liar berkerumun dengan dahsyat dan menghancurkan isi rumah. 11. Nyali monyet itu menciut karena ngengat ungu itu tampak sangat berbahaya. Nomor 12. Tulang kucing dan tulang burung berbeda bentuknya. Sukma menyadarinya karena tulang itu rusak. 13. Banyak atlet putra dan putri yang berasal dari suku dan etnik yang berbeda. 14. Bulan April adalah bulan saya akan mengadakan sulap bersama Salma di kapal kecil itu. 15. Lembu dan domba masuk ke kolam yang dalam dan Wahyu berusaha untuk menariknya bersama Rahma. Okay, that's all about our reading tutorial for this week. Don't forget to send your reading homework to our WhatsApp group. See you again in our next reading tutorial. Bye-bye.